Hi guys, we are in Hellcase. I have quite a lot of balance on site today. I'm going to try to make a nice karambit. As I said, I want to make a karambit today. So let's try our luck in first case. I will buy 2. If we can get anything from there, I'm going to upgrade and try to make a karambit. Butterfly will be nice. Nice. It's good, I think. We are going to profit? Yeah, we are going to be really good. I'm going to keep in my inventory. 700 is very nice today. And let's keep going with new knife. We have just arrived a new butterfly. It's enough for today. Talon knife? Tiger tooth? Maybe? No. The Navaja. It's not good now. 200. We just lost 100. I'm going to try again. Let's try to get a nice knife here. 2 Navaja again. Okay. That's terrible, but unlucky. It's enough for butterfly, so let's keep going. We can keep going with hardened case. What we got here? Let's see. That's 105. No knife. Oh, one got knife. Here's hardened. It's nice. It's enough, I think. Yeah, I'm going to keep it too. Let's sell these. Yeah, we are going real nice today. I'm going to send 5 more. Let's see what we got. 1 more knife, I think. 2 more knives. It's fantastic, nice. 100 and 140. It's really good for us. We still have 200 in our balance. I think we can go for it battle. Let's see. I have joined $11 battle. Going to 2 case. Let's see. First, it's not good. I couldn't find any karambit in here, but I found that good looking hunting knife. It has 33 chance.